Alright guys, so here we are at the Blizzard Forest.
Man, it's getting cold.
It feels like that we're in Antarctica.
Well, you know what to say, man. It just feels like sea beds frozen lace one.
We wish we had the worn to check it.
And it's not even winter yet.
Is there a kind of like the Ice Age conditions?
It's supposed to be a springtime, not wintertime.
We don't think it's the North Pole.
Oh, impossible.
Where's Ducky and Honey?
Sorry, we're late. This is kind of a rough day. Guys, what's that?
What?
What the fuck?
Man, impossible.